As 2025 draws to a close, American families are feeling the pinch from rising costs. Groceries, gas, and housing are all more expensive. Everyday essentials seem to take a bigger bite out of your paycheck, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the constant pressure on your wallet. Whether you're a parent trying to stretch every dollar, a young professional facing higher rent, or a retiree watching your savings, these challenges are being felt across the country. With budgets tight, many are searching for financial relief, especially through tax refunds and rumors of new government stimulus payments. People are turning to the internet, social media, and news outlets for answers, hoping to find some relief or support to help make ends meet. The uncertainty can be stressful, and it's natural to want clear, reliable information. It's crucial to separate fact from fiction to avoid falling for misinformation. False promises and misleading headlines can make things even more confusing, and sometimes they can even put your finances at risk. In this guide, we'll show you how to track your IRS tax refund, so you know exactly when to expect your money and how to avoid common pitfalls during tax season. We'll clarify the truth about federal stimulus checks, explaining what's real, what's just speculation, and how to spot the difference. Plus, we'll highlight real state-level relief programs that could offer extra support and show you how to find out if you qualify for these benefits in your area. We'll also touch on federal proposals that haven't become law, so you have the full picture and can make informed decisions without getting caught up in rumors or wishful thinking. Most importantly, we'll help you spot and avoid scams that prey on financial uncertainty. Scammers are getting more sophisticated, and knowing what to watch for can protect your hard-earned money. By understanding what's real and what's rumor, you can plan your finances with confidence, reduce stress, and focus on what matters most to you and your loved ones. Let's get started and empower you to make smart money decisions for the rest of the year so you can face 2025 with optimism and control over your financial future. For many people, a tax refund isn't just a bonus, it's a crucial part of their yearly finances, helping to pay bills, cover unexpected expenses, or even plan for something special. Waiting for that refund can be stressful, especially if you're not sure when it will arrive or how to check its status. Fortunately, the IRS offers two reliable tools to help you track your refund every step of the way. The Where's My Refund tool on irs.gov and the official IRS To Go mobile app are the fastest, safest, and most convenient ways to get real-time updates about your refund's progress. To use these tools, you'll need a few key pieces of information: your Social Security number or ITIN, your filing status, like single, married, or head of household, and the exact refund amount you claimed on your tax return. Having these details ready will make the process quick and easy. If you filed your taxes electronically, you can start checking your refund status within just 24 hours after the IRS confirms receipt of your return. If you mailed in a paper return, you'll need to wait about 4 weeks before your information appears in the system. Electronic filing is always faster and more efficient. Remember, the IRS updates refund information once every 24 hours, usually overnight. Checking the tool multiple times a day won't provide new information, so save yourself the worry and check just once daily for the latest update. When you check your status, you'll see one of three messages: Return received, which means the IRS has your return and is processing it; Refund approved, which means your refund is on the way; or Refund sent, which means the money has been issued to your bank or mailed to you. If you see Refund sent, your money is on its way. For direct deposit, it can take up to 5 business days to show up in your bank account, depending on your bank's processing times. If you requested a paper check, it may take a bit longer to arrive in the mail. Rest assured, this entire process is designed with your privacy and security in mind. The IRS uses advanced encryption and security measures to protect your personal information every step of the way. To avoid scams and misinformation, always use the official IRS website or the IRS To Go app. Skip phone calls to the IRS and never trust third-party sites or emails claiming to have your refund status. They can't provide accurate updates and may put your information at risk. Tracking your refund is straightforward and gives you confidence and peace of mind, knowing exactly where your money is in the process. So stay patient, trust the process, and rely on these official tools for the most accurate, up-to-date information about your tax refund. Lately, there's been a surge of online chatter about the possibility of a fourth federal stimulus check arriving in 2025. Social media feeds, online forums, and even some news outlets are filled with speculation. with people sharing posts about potential payments and what they could mean for American families. Many of these rumors include specific dollar amounts, payment dates, and even supposed eligibility requirements, making them seem convincing to those hoping for extra financial relief. But as of October 2025, none of these claims are true. Congress has not approved any new federal stimulus payments, and the IRS has not announced any plans to send out another round of checks. No official government agency has confirmed these rumors. For a new stimulus check to become reality, both Congress and the President would need to pass and sign a new law. So far, that simply hasn't happened, and there are no active bills moving forward that would authorize such payments. The confusion often comes from misunderstandings, outdated proposals that never became law, or state-level programs that are mistakenly reported as federal initiatives. Sometimes, even well-meaning friends or family members can unintentionally spread misinformation. Remember, the last round of stimulus checks was part of emergency COVID-19 relief efforts, designed to help Americans during an unprecedented crisis. Today's economic challenges are different, and lawmakers have not reached any agreement on new direct payments. Be cautious of viral posts or videos that promise guaranteed money or show unverified figures. These are often clickbait, scams, or based on unrelated government benefits that have nothing to do with a new stimulus check. If a new stimulus payment is ever approved, you'll hear about it directly from official government sources and major reputable news outlets, not just through social media rumors or forwarded messages. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, always check trusted government websites like irs.gov or reliable news organizations. Don't let social media be your only source for important financial news. Stay informed, stay cautious, and don't fall for false promises or misleading headlines. Your best defense is knowledge and skepticism when it comes to your finances. To understand the stimulus check rumors, let's recap the 3 rounds of federal payments during the COVID-19 pandemic. The first, in March 2020, provided up to $1,200 per adult and $500 per child. The second, in December 2020, offered $600 per person. The third, in March 2021, delivered up to $1,400 for each eligible individual, including dependents. All deadlines to claim these payments have now passed. If you missed out, there's no way to claim these funds from the IRS anymore. Any new stimulus would require fresh legislation from Congress. The COVID-era payments are officially over. Don't expect more unless new laws are passed. Some lawmakers have proposed new relief, like the American Worker Rebate Act of 2025. This bill, introduced by Senator Josh Hawley, suggests payments of $600 to $2,400 for working families. But it's just a proposal, not a law. For any bill to become law, it must pass Congress and be signed by the President. No payments are being sent out from this proposal. Online rumors often confuse proposed bills with actual laws. Don't be misled. Other ideas like the Trump tariff rebate or speculative Doge dividends are not official programs. Always check if a relief program is real and approved before expecting money. Until a bill is signed into law, it's just talk. While there's no new federal stimulus, many states have launched their own relief programs. These state payments, like inflation relief checks or tax rebates, are funded by state budgets and have unique eligibility rules. States such as Georgia, Pennsylvania, and Colorado have sent payments to help residents manage rising costs. Eligibility, payment amounts, and deadlines vary by state. Always check your official state government or Department of Revenue website for accurate details. Don't confuse state programs with federal stimulus checks. They're separate. Social media often spreads confusion by sharing state news as if it's nationwide. Make sure any program you hear about actually applies to your state. Pay attention to deadlines and requirements to avoid missing out. State websites are your best source for up-to-date relief information. New Jersey's Anchor program is a major state-level relief effort, offering property tax relief to homeowners and renters. Homeowners with incomes up to $150,000 can get $1,250. Those earning up to $250,000 can receive $1,250. Renters earning up to $150,000 are eligible for $700. Eligibility is based on 2022 income and residency. The application deadline is October 31, 2025. Don't miss it. Residents can apply online, by phone, or by mail, and check their status on the Division of Taxation website. Payments are sent in waves after the deadline. The Anchor program shows how state relief is targeted and managed locally, not by the IRS. If you're not in New Jersey, check your own state for similar programs. Local relief can make a real difference. Don't overlook it. Whenever government money is in the news, scammers try to take advantage. They use phishing emails, texts, and fake websites to steal your personal and financial information. The IRS will never contact you by email, text, or social media to request sensitive data. If you get a suspicious message, don't click links or respond. Go directly to irs.gov for information. Scammers create urgency with phrases like, "Your payment is pending. Act now." Ignore these tactics. You never need to pay a fee or provide extra info to get a legitimate refund or stimulus. If you're unsure, always verify through official channels. Report scams to the Treasury Inspector General for Tax Administration or the FTC. Stay alert and protect your identity. The key to managing your finances in 2025 is relying on official, trusted sources. For tax refunds, use only irs.gov or the IRS2Go app, never third-party sites. No new federal stimulus has been approved. Ignore social media rumors. Any real announcement would come from Congress, the White House, and the IRS, and be covered by major news outlets. Check your state's official website for local relief programs like New Jersey's Anchor or other rebates. Prioritize your security. Never share sensitive info through unsolicited messages. Government agencies won't ask for personal details by email, text, or phone. By staying cautious and informed, you can avoid scams and make smart financial choices. Trust the facts, not the rumors, to protect your money and your future.